Good morning, student. Student, today you will learn to solve the system of linear equation using matrix method. Student, here linear equations are given like a1x plus b1 equal to suppose c1. First, I am telling a simple logic for 2 by 2 matrix. Another equation is a2x plus b2 equal to c2. We have to convert these equations into the matrix form. So matrix form is a1 b1 a2 b2 x y and c1 c2. There are three matrices. One of the matrix is the matrix of coefficient of the variables x and y. Second matrix is the matrix of variable x and y, and third is the matrix of constant given in the right hand side of the equation. Now it is ax equal to let b, ax equal to b. Now we will multiply both sides by a inverse, then it is a inverse x equal to a inverse b. Then it becomes a inverse a into x equal to a inverse b. Then a inverse a is ix equal to a inverse b. Then x equal to a inverse into b. Now we will find the inverse of a matrix. Before that we will check the determinant of a. If it is not equal to 0, then a inverse exists. A inverse exists when a is non-singular. When matrix is non-singular, then its inverse exists. When inverse exists, then we will find A inverse. Then we multiply A inverse with B matrix, and we will find the value of x and y on comparing the variables. Now see one example. Student, it is exercise 4.6, question number 2. Here 2x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y equal to 4. Students, see the solution. Matrix form of the equation is 2 minus 1, 1, 1 and xy is equal to 5, 4. There is a matrix of coefficient of variable. So first row is coefficient of first equation, it is 2 and minus 1. Second, there is a 1, there is a 1, so it is 1, 1. There is a matrix of variable x and y, and that is the right hand side. Now, still left, it is x equal to b. Then, x equal to a inverse b. Now, let's find determinant of a, which is determinant of 2 minus 1, 1, 1. Then it is 2 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3, not equal to 0. Therefore, A is non-singular and A inverse exists. Student, now we will find A inverse. Before that, we will find C. C is the matrix of cofactors. Cofactors. Student, you are knowing how to find a cofactor. So, cofactor of 2 is 1. Cofactor of minus 1 is minus 1. Cofactor of 1 is plus 1. And cofactor of this one is 2. Now we will find C transpose is equal to adjoint of A. It is 1, 1 minus 1, 1 and 2. Then A inverse equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Determinant of A is 3, so it is 1 upon 3 and 1 1 minus 1 2. Now, student, as you know, x equal to A inverse B. Inverse is 1 upon 3, 1 1 minus 1 2, and B is 5 and 4. Now B will multiply them. So it is 1 upon 3, it is 5 plus 4 minus 5 plus 8, which is 1 upon 3, it is 9 and 3, or it is 9 upon 3 and 3 upon 3, which is 3 and 1. So we can say it is x and y. On comparing, we will get x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. To verify the answer, we can see x plus y equal to 4. So therefore 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and we can say our answers are correct. Value of x and y are correct here.